Hinawayang lagyo, ginulis ang lagyo,
Yes.
kareng kaya katamong kabalen, king kayang pamagsilbi bilang miyembro ng PNP.
Siyempre, it's an institution dominated by men. Pero babae ya, yung karelang leader, po takay asne pang kalagun Nyay kaya
Mali mo, ganaganang batuin, miglinya langan.
Ma'am Joanne, welcome po keng Nanu Pata.
Maya pa, ugtog, ya kayo man, kabalen. Hi, Kuya Jody and Miss Jen. I'm happy to see you again. Thank you very much for this opportunity. First of all, magpasalamat ko king CLTV 36. You know naman, CLTV 36 is very close to my heart. Ulingi kayong kasawag ko in order for me to provide information to our kabalen, especially when I was the former chief of police in some